Hi, my name's Grace, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the homepage banner on your new website. To change the homepage banner, go to Structure, Block Layout, and click on Custom Block Library. Scroll down until you see the homepage banner block and click on Edit. Click on the Add Media button to upload an image. If an image is already uploaded and you want to replace it, delete the current image and then click on Add Media. This will open the media gallery where you can search for images already uploaded to your site, or you can click on the Browse button to search your local computer files. When you have found your image, click Insert Selected. Once you have added the new image for the homepage banner, remember to save your changes before you finish. You can view the new homepage banner on the homepage. That's a brief overview of how to update the homepage banner image. I'll see you in the next video.